Do you ever wonder if you're eating right for your health? What if you could have a personal nutritionist in your pocket? Introducing Diet in Pocket, the revolutionary way to manage your diet directly through Instagram. Just point your phone at your meal and get live analysis. Understand your food's nutritional content instantly. Available 24/7, Diet in Pocket provides constant support, whether you're struggling with obesity, binge eating, or just want to maintain a healthy diet. Get personalized meal plans that fit your dietary needs. From building a daily menu to offering healthy recipes, we make eating right easy and accessible. And with our instant recipe feature, you can whip up healthy meals in no time. Each recipe nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Join thousands who have transformed their eating habits. With Diet in Pocket, good health is just a click away. Start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle today. Try Diet in Pocket free for 7 days and experience the change. Click the link to sign up now.